morning. So today is Monday.
And I am so happy to be back on doing one thing that I am passionate about. After a long break, I finally decided to film. But this time, it's another chapter of my story. Despite needing to deal with unstable connections, disturbances, and noises, I still find joy and excitement in the thought of finally being in college. Certainly, it's because I will be meeting new people where I can find genuine camaraderie. There will be new experiences and memories along the way while the learning continues. At this point in my life, my routines seem to be monotonous every day. I'll wake up, eat, then prepare for my online classes. I'll read, write, and repeat. But I constantly remind myself that it's fine to have slow and unproductive days as a student. Sometimes, just know that you are still working in progress, and slowly you are getting there. You are on your way to your dreams.
햇빛이 비추는 날 내 맘에 꽃이 폈다 창가에 기대 앉아 이 노래를 부른다 그래 넌 푸른 바다 Like a picnic on the shoreline With a toast and jelly just like how sweet it is that you're mine And when you don't hit reply My heartbeat goes like cosign 내가 맘에 들면 follow 좋아요 구독 이 노래가 유명해져야 너가 날 만나줄 거잖아 그때 나를 바라볼 때 심장이 멎은 듯해 무궁화 꽃이 폈게 움직일 수 없어 baby My flowers made in your light And I'm blooming by your side You know I've been waiting for too long yeah. 지금 right now Sunshine on the shoreline Feels like a super trooper Is this the Truman Show right now 너가 제일 좋아하는 음악을 들려줘 이 노래 말고 Lately I've been thinking about the choices I have made and doubt the life I've chosen for myself. I wonder how it would pan out if I stuck to the status quo and stayed in England. Never know, but when I see my friends, I see them with this golden glow. It seems they can touch the rainbow. I guess I'll never know, never know, never know. Would that be me if I'd stayed in my city? Red, blue and green. Is that how my life would be? Is that how my life would be? And often we're reminded to enjoy each day and find it in ourselves to show some gratitude for every moment through and through. I try so hard to just be present, mom will slip the adolescence. I can't help but wonder, but I guess I'll never know it. What the other book looks like. Oh, yeah. best not to say.